7 English grammar. Okay, now let's start. So we'll start from chapter 7, that is for your essay 2 syllabus. Chapter 7, that is subordinating conjunction. What is conjunction? Now see, conjunction, you have learned about conjunction in the previous class. A conjunction or a connector is a word which joins two words, phrases, clause, sentences, as joining words, or a connector. Okay, it is never connected with an object. It never qualifies a word. It simply joins words and sentences. It simply joins two words or sentences. Now see, there are three types of conjunctions, connectors. Conjunctions or connectors: coordinating conjunction, correlative conjunction, subordinating conjunction. So you have learned about this coordinating and correlating in 5 and 6. So now you learn about subordinating. Now, conjunction which join subordinating which join a subordinate clause to its principal clause are called subordinating conjunction. So if I ask you what is subordinating conjunction, you will say this one. Which joins subordinate clause to the principal clause is known as subordinate conjunction. Now look at the following. Example: principal clause, subordinating conjunction, subordinating clause. I doubt, principal clause, if he would pass. Subordinating conjunction is if. This is subordinating conjunction is what? The joining word is if. He would pass. I know why he has come here. I was away when Radha came here. Tell me where he lives. He is the boy who beat my brother. Little Bob won't sleep until Dad comes home. He will not go to school because he has fever. She went to know whether he will come or not. She behaved as if she did not know anything. Ria was studying while Jia was playing. Okay, these are the subordinating conjunction, the joining words. Now, some subordinate conjunctions of common use are: this is of common use: who, whom, whose, what, when, where, why, how, if, till, until, while, that, then, least, since, because, before, after, though, although, whether, whenever, wherever, whenever, whoever, as if, as though, so that, as soon as. These are some conjunctions subordinating. Now, use of some subordinating conjunction. How will you use this one? Let's see now. Unless and if. How is unless and if is used? Now see. Unless means if not. Unless means if not. Unless we must never be confused with if. You should not confuse unless with if. Do not use not with unless. If can be followed by not if the sense demand it. Now see. Unless you work hard, you will not pass. This is a use of unless. If you do not work hard, you will not pass. This is a use of if. Until, as long as, while. Now, as long as, while. Now see, this is how will you. Until, up to the time. Until and till denotes some point of time. Now, as long as, so long as, while, during the time that. This was denote period of time. Now see, go straight till you will come to the post office. Until you told me, I had heard nothing. She won't go away till you promise her. Let us wait till the rain stop. Till. While there is life, there is hope. As long as there is life, there is hope. So long as there is life, there is hope. This is the use of till you come. Until, till, while, as long as. Now, because. He failed because, use of because, so that. Okay. He failed because he did not work hard. You have to give a reason. So because, before the reason you write because. He worked hard so that he might win the scholarship. So that he might win the scholarship. Okay. This is a use of because. Since. 2 months have passed since he came here. Means since he came here, 2 months have passed. It has been 2 weeks since my examination has over. Were over. Now, before, if, until, unless, while, when. Now see. I will help him if he is in trouble. So how we use? I will. What is the use of will? I will help him if he is in trouble. The crop will die unless. Okay. I will help him if he is in trouble. The crop will die unless the rain falls. We shall not let you go until you pay back my money. I shall give you your message when you come here. Won't you have coffee before you go? Won't you have coffee before you go? Will you look after the children while I cook? So will you look after the children while I cook? Okay, this is a use of until, unless, when, before, while, if. Now see that, when that is used. He told me that he would not be late. He said that he was tired. Okay, so that he will be late, that he was tired. Okay, this conjunction is never used in the beginning. That you cannot use in the beginning of a sentence. That can be omitted if you used after a verb. Okay, you cannot use in the beginning, you can now. So it is used in between. Least means to avoid the risk. To avoid the risk. The conjunction always followed the auxiliary should. It's always followed with the auxiliary should. Now see. Walk fast, lest you should miss the train. See, lest should be with should. I didn't talk to him lest he should be angry. Lest is used should. Okay. No other or rather. Now see. Rather means to indicate one's preference. This words is followed by then. Rather is followed by then. Now see. No one, no other than Mohan did this mischief. No other than Mohan did this mischief. Okay. No other, with no other then will be followed. And I would rather die than beg. I would rather die than beg. This is the use of no other and rather. Okay, now choose this one. Choose the correct alternative. Walk slowly, or list you will feel tired. So list is used with then, so then is should is not there. So walk slowly or you will feel tired. I know why he is getting angry. I know why he is that is there, no? That he would be late. I know why he is getting angry. Okay, I know why he is getting angry. I honored him because he is a brave man. I honored him why? Because he is a brave man. He decided to set out while it was late. We decided to set out while it was late, but it was late. He did not succeed though he had worked hard. We love Timmy because he is a faithful dog. Why you love? Because Rita was married since she was 24. The sheep was grazing while the oxen was resting. The piper played as long as. Piper played so that the children danced. The piper played as long as the children danced. As it is raining, they will not go for a picnic. Since you have not finished your homework, I will not let you to go to play. Some people were going to the exhibition, okay, while others were returning. Some of them are going while others were returning. So, for today, this much. You will do this one, homework, okay. Thank you.